class 1. Good morning. How are you? Fine. So class 1, in our last class what did we do? I have given you 5 words to learn and write. I hope you must have written that. Okay. And the second thing, what did we do? We have done 2 exercises. What was the exercise? The exercise was that you have to write masculine and feminine gender. That means you have to write he and she words, or you can say you have to write male and female. That I told you that we will do it one more time. That day I had given you only oral, and today I will give you that exercise in written. Okay. Now see. And that day we did only 2 question answers, isn't it? And I have given you the third question, but I have not given you the answer. Okay. So today again I am starting from that part only. From chapter 4, Unity is Strength, question answers. Question number 3. And what was question number 3? The question was, how did the doves escape from the hunter? I hope you must have written the question. Then too I am writing it one more time. How did the doves escape? Escape means निकलना या फिर बचना. How did the dove escape? FROM, from, THE, the hunters, HUNTER, hunter. जब hunter से कैसे बचकर निकले? And the answer is the doves flapped their wings. What did the dove do? They flapped their wings. So the dove flapped their wings. Doves ने क्या किया? अपने पंख को फैलाया and escaped from the hunter. The doves flapped their wings together. सबने एक साथ पंख को फैलाया और नेट लिए आकाश में उड़ गए और इस तरह से हंटर से वो बच गए. So the answer is the doves flapped their wings together. Now I am writing the answer. The DOVES, doves, flapped, FLAP, flap. See here, I am going to tell you something special about the word flap and flapped. Okay, when we write flap, it is always FLAP. But when we write flapped, flap का मतलब, and flap means फैलाया. Okay, flap. When you write flap, it has double P. The doves flapped, THEIR, there. Now you need to write carefully, following the lines and giving gaps between the words, because you have to write as beautiful as you can. जितना सुंदर लिख सकते हो लिखना है. Okay, that day I told you as hard as you can, as beautiful as you can. The doves flap their wings. WINGS, wings, together. TOGETHER. See the gather. Together. So the doves flap their wings together. You have to learn the answer also. The doves flap their wings together and escaped. A and the and escaped. E-S-C-A-P-E-D. Now see here in the answer it is E-S-C-A-P-E. In the question it is E-S-C-A-P-E, but in the answer it is E-S-C-A-P-E-D, escaped. This is because in the question it is D-I-D, did, with did, escape is written and without did. अगर did नहीं है sentence में तो we write escaped. So the doves flapped their wings together and escaped from the hunter. Class 1, I have forgotten something. Ma'am कुछ भूल गई है. There were two parts in the question, isn't it? So the second part is who helped them? Who helped them? There are two questions in question number 3. The first question is how did the doves escape from the hunter, and the second question is who helped them? Okay. So for answer, what did I do? What do I do? I am writing the second part of the answer here itself. After the full stop, you have to start a new sentence from here itself. And the answer is a mouse cut the net and helped them. A mouse. The spelling of mouse is M-O-U-S-E. This O-U is out. O-U is out. So, M-O-U-S, mouse. Our mouse cut the net and helped them. H-E-L-P-E-D, helped them. Class 1C, H-E-L-P, help. H-E-L-P, help. Help means मदद करना and H-E-L-P-E-D, help means मदद किया. Okay? So the answer is, the question is first of all, how did the doves escape from the hunter who helped them? And the answer is, the doves flapped their wings together and escaped from the hunter. The second part of the question, the answer to the second part of the question is, a mouse cut the net and helped them. किसने उनकी मदद की थी? जो डव्स का किंग था, उसका एक दोस्त था माउस. ओके, उसने ही नेट को अपने शार्प टीथ से निबल कर दिया था. निबल कर देना का मतलब होता है टुकड़े टुकड़े कर दिया था, और इस तरह से उन्होंने डव्स को नेट से बाहर निकाल के उनकी हेल्प की. ओके, now the next is class 1. Some of the small exercises I am going to leave for now, but you have to do it in the book for sure because we have given you the notes. You can copy it. In the later part someday I will complete those parts. Okay. So for now, have you all done it? Have you all done it? So I am erasing it. Okay. grandmother, grandfather. Okay, so for boy and girl, what you will write? For boy and girl, write जहाँ boy है वहाँ एक arrow लगा के you have to write boy, boy. And where there is a girl, put an arrow and write girl, girl. Okay. Next is in the same line there is a peacock and peahen. For peacock you have to write Peacock, and for peahen you have to write Peahen, peahen. In the same series, now there is a grandfather and grandmother. For that grandfather and grandmother also, just draw a line and write G-R-A-N-D, grand, F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Class 1, don't get confused that grandfather has a space. Grandfather लिखने के लिए कोई space नहीं लगता because it's a compound word. It's a compound word. And after that, for grandmother, draw a line and write G-R-A-N-D, grand, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, grandmother. Now, there is a gobbler and hen. G-O-B-B-L-E-R, gobbler, and H-E-N, hen. After that, who is standing? A king, K-I-N-G, king, and queen, Raja or Rani. And at last, there is a lion, L-I-O-N, lion, and there is a lioness, L-I-O-N-E-S-S, lion and lioness. Are you afraid of lion and lioness? क्या आपको lion और lioness से डर लगता है? मुझे तो बहुत लगता है. Okay, so this was an exercise from page number 36. Okay, and 37 we have done that day. Okay, now come to page number 40. Page number 42. Page number, what you have to do? You have to complete it fast and turn your page to page number 40. In the middle, there are some exercises. There is one or two exercises that I will cover in the later classes. Okay? Now next is come to page number 40. In page number 40, there is a small oral part. The exercise is F. The exercise is F, and it is just oral. It is just oral, and there are some words. There are some words, and the words are dark, dip, deep, door, duck, dog, doll, doll. Now see here. what you have to observe. D, dark, d, deep, d, duck, d, doll, d, dip, d, door, d, dog, d, doll. Okay, so class 1, what you need to observe is the first sound. The first sound is d, 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 d. What is the first sound? The sound is d. You have to pay attention. And if anybody asks you that, can you tell me some more words that starts with d? What you will say? Give me some words that start with d. I will say d, 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 drum. D, 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 dish. D, 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 dream. सपना देखते हो? पता है सपना क्या होता है? That sapna is dream. And the desk that you keep your notebook on, जहाँ आप बैठते हैं, that becomes a bench. और जिस फर्नीचर पे या जो आपका बेंच एंड डेस्क होता है, जहाँ पर आप बुक रखकर या कॉपी रखकर लिखते हैं और पढ़ते हैं, that is called desk. So the new words are, this is just an oral part, okay? You need not to write it in the notebook. जो notebook में लिखना है वो मैम आपको बता देगी, okay? Now the next part is the exercise just below that, that is extend the G exercise. The G exercise, and in this exercise it says that there are 5 sentences given. How many sentences are given? 5 sentences are given. There are 5 sentences given, and the sentences are, and box are also given for each sentence. हर sentence के लिए box दिया हुआ है. Okay. And why these boxes are given? ये boxes दिया हुआ है to put their serial number. ये 5 sentences में जो story है ना, story का ही सारे incidents होंगे. Incidents मतलब story में क्या क्या हुआ वो होगा, लेकिन वो एक sequence में नहीं है. You have to put them in sequence. And the sentences are, one day the deer went to graze. But this is not the same story. ये वही story नहीं है, ये कुछ different story है. हमको इसको एक serial में अरेंज करना है कि पहले क्या हुआ होगा. ओके. द crow took the mouse. I will tell you the meaning also. Okay. Took the mouse to the deer on his back. Let me tell you the meaning of the sentences. तभी तो आप समझ पाएंगे ना कि कौन सी चीज कब हुई होगी एक स्टोरी में. एक दिन, one day the deer went to graze. One day the deer went to graze. एक दिन एक हिरण ग्रेजिंग करने गया. ग्रेज करने का मतलब होता है, ग्रेज करने का मतलब क्या होता है? घास खाना. Okay. The crow took the mouse to the deer on his back. Crow ने क्या किया? अपने पीठ पर एक माउस को बिठा कर ले गया डियर के पास. Now next is a deer, a crow, and a mouse were friends. एक डियर मतलब हिरण, एक हिरण, एक कौवा और एक चूहा तीनों दोस्त थे. One deer, one crow and one mouse were friends. Next is he did not come back. He did not come back. वो वापस नहीं आया. These all sentences are parts of a story. ये सारे sentences जो है वो एक story का part है जिसको हमको arrange करना है कि पहले क्या हुआ होगा और बाद में क्या हुआ होगा. Now the last sentence is the crow went to look for him and saw he was caught in a net. Caught in a net का क्या मतलब होता है? नेट में फंसा होना. Now I will tell you the meanings and you have to tell me what happened first. एक दिन एक deer grazing करने गया. The crow took the mouse to the deer on his back. और कौवा जो है mouse को deer के पास लेके गया. A deer, a crow and a mouse were friends. तीनों दोस्त थे. He did not come back. वो वापस नहीं आया. कौन वापस नहीं आया? The crow went to look for him and saw he was caught in a net. और फिर कौवा फिर से गया. कौवा गया और देखा कि जो डियर था वो तो नेट में फंसा हुआ था. ये जो स्टोरी है वो सीक्वेंस में नहीं है. We have to give them the correct number to make it in sequence. So the first is a deer. You have to write number 1 because this is the first sentence of the story. A deer, a crow and a mouse were friends. एक deer, एक crow और एक mouse तीनों friends थे. Number 2. One day the deer went to graze. एक दिन deer grazing करने गया. एक दिन deer grazing करने गया. Number 3. He did not come back. पर वापस नहीं आया. He did not come back. The crow went to look for him and saw he was caught in a net. The crow went to look for him. वो उसको ढूंढने गया और ये देखा that he was caught in a net. So this is number 4. And at last, the crow took the mouse to the deer on his back. Now let us give me the answer that why the crow took the mouse on his back. वो crow mouse को अपने पीठ पर बिठाकर deer के पास क्यों लेके गया होगा? So that the mouse could nibble the net. ताकि mouse उसके net को काट दे. Okay. So this was exercise G from page number 40. It was an exercise from page number 40 and now I am going to do the last exercise of today's class. Sequence are 2, 5, 1, 3, 4. Please note it down on page number 40. The sequence are 2, 5, 1, 3, 4. Now next is there are We are going to do page number 41, the third exercise. There are 4 kinds of nets. There are 4 kinds of nets. Can you see this net? Now the question is, look at these pictures of nets. Write what each net is used for. इसमें 4 टाइप्स के नेट्स दिए हुए हैं. आपको ये बताना है कि हर नेट किसके लिए यूज होता है. This is the second kind of net. It is in your book, page number 41. Okay, so we have to write why these 2 nets are used for. So the first net is used for, I think it is a racket. So it is used to play. So draw a line and write T-O-2-P-L-A-Y, play, to play. But you have to write to play. P-L-A-Y, play. Now why this net is used for? Now we will use a long line. It is used for filtering water. It is used for filtering water and to filter. Filter करने का मतलब होता है छानना. To filter water. If it is not coming up to here, you can write water downwards also. To filter water. To filter water. The first net is used for playing, while the second net is used for filtering water. Now the third net. The third net. Again, this is a net that is used for playing volleyball or badminton. Okay, so this net is also used to play. It is also used to play. Okay, and at last there is a ship. There is a ship. At last there is a ship in which huge nets are hung. जिसमें बहुत बड़े-बड़े nets hang हैं. Huge nets are hung in from the ship. And why these nets are used for, do you know? These nets are used for catching fish. ये नेट किस लिए यूज होता है? ये नेट यूज होता है to catch fish from the water. So this net is used for to catch fish. Simply write to C-A-T-C-H, catch, F-I-S-H, fish. Class 1, note it down fast. Class 1, have you learned the storytelling? I have to make you learn the story. That day I had given only 4 to 5 lines, isn't it? So in the next class we will have the storytelling practice only. ओके, सो दैट आपको एक स्टोरी तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में मैं लर्न करा दूंगी. ओके, एंड इट विल बी अ फन. नाउ इफ यू हैव नोटेड इट, please note down today's homework. Take out your homework notebook. Put HW chapter 4. Unity is strength. Unity is strength. And your homework is learn and write. Learn and write. What you have to learn? Question and answers. You have to learn and write question, answers of the chapter, that is question number 1, 2 and 3 from Think and Answer that I have given you. I have given you 2 question answers that day and the third I have given you today. So that's all for today. Have a nice day, class 1. Bye.